Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be creating spreads for my wellness section that includes meal planning as well as the wellness planner itself. So today we are going to be creating a spread for October 3rd through the 9th, and I am very excited because I wanted to make something Halloween-y and kind of fun and different. So what I'm going to do is use the Happy Halloween from Planything sticker book. I think it's such a fun sticker book, so I went ahead and pulled it out. And while I'm picking out some stickers, I wanted to say thank you if this is your first time joining me, and if you are coming back, thank you so much for spending more time with me on today's video. So on the bottom, what I'm gonna start with is these little houses from the Planything sticker book, and they kind of look like we're gonna create this little neighborhood where people can trick-or-treat, right? I think that's gonna be kind of fun and different, so I think that's good. So let's go ahead and add some boxes. The sticker book comes with certain boxes, so I thought it would be kind of fun to incorporate that. Her sticker paper, you guys, is so fabulous. So if you are a paper fanatic like I am, it's thick and really fantastic. And her clear stickers are kind of superb as well. So I am very pleased with my purchases. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these trees throughout all of my planner, or the spread at least. I think it's a fun statement on like fall and Halloween, especially when you mix it with like kind of haunted houses and regular houses and so on. So I think that's cute. So I'm gonna add a little bit of orange and brown to add in and pull the color from the bottom. Okay, so a couple more, I think. And of course, a couple more trees, because who doesn't want more trees, right? Here we go. And I think on the side, I'm gonna do like one of these trick or treat little signs. And I think that might be a fun way to highlight Halloween in my planner. Okay, a couple more boxes, bringing in more of that black to balance it out, and hopefully that will work pretty well. Now add this huge spider, and maybe like a candy cane or something orange to bring in, there we go, to bring in the spread. So and we have some sweets, and then we have some houses, and we create a little neighborhood, and I think we are good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my little cheat sheet, and we can go ahead and actually meal plan. So I'm gonna pull this out and let's start. So on Monday, a quick one. Mondays sometimes are rough because of how much you have to do. So I'm gonna start with a smoothie and get my week going right. Then I'm gonna do oatmeal, some cinnamon rolls because I love those. Okay, for lunch I'm gonna have the beet and mushroom avocado salad. It is so good. If you guys like beets, it's a must. We're gonna do a cod chop salad. I'm gonna do a Greek orzo salad. I like those. So then we have chicken Alfredo with veggies. I think Mondays are usually hard, so a little bit of treating yourself is not bad, as long as you don't indulge, right? Okay, then on Tuesday we'll have pork chops and veggies, baked ziti, which is a healthier version of ziti, and I think that's good. Okay, cinnamon apple crisps. I'm gonna have either leftovers or a power bowl, either way. Okay, and then jambalaya will be for dinner on Thursday, but for right now, we're gonna do sweet potato skillet because I love those, and French toast, and crepes. So we're gonna add the green chicken avocado salad, which is the same version except without chicken and added beets. So I'm having dinner at my parents'. We're probably going to have leftovers for Sunday, and I do want to make jambalaya. I think that's such a good recipe, and then loaded sweet potatoes for Friday. And I think that sums up my meal week. So let's go ahead and pop this back in and move on to the wellness section of this. So this planner is called Listen to Your Heart. It is a wellness planner. As you can see, it has a different layout. It has intention, nutrition, and movement, or nourish and movement. And I do it a little bit differently. So first off, I pulled up some Live Love Posh stickers. This is Hello Fall, and this is the new one, the Whimsical Fall. Okay, and I am looking at Call of the Plant sticker books as well. So I have all of these fall books on my desk, just within a reach of my hands when I'm filming. So let's decide what we're doing and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to Live Love Posh and find those colorful leaves, and I think that's what I'm going to do. I did pull out like a modern sticker book because it has a lot of browns and stuff, so we shall see. Okay, I have to pick this up. I just realized that that's my medicine and movement section. So let's peel this up. Aren't these pretty though? Have like all of these blooms and sunflowers. It's gorgeous. Okay, so let's go ahead and place this down. I think that's pretty good. And then adding some pumpkins and florals. So the bottom section is not used very often or very much. So I am just placing sticker in there to kind of grab your eye without me needing to fill that out. So throughout the spread right now, I'm going to be placing just a whole bunch of leaves all over. They are on a larger side, so be very careful about placement so you leave enough room for yourself to write and accomplish all the things that you wanted to accomplish. But like I said, I really don't mind. These are gorgeous and beautiful, and they're gonna brighten up any planner spread. So just adding and adding and adding until it's going to look pretty pretty fulfilled, or pretty filled, I should say. Okay, I'm gonna add the flower to the other side, and let's keep going. So I just want to add a couple more trinkets, like so. And a bigger one. And then I still need to make some bullet points and rename the sections that I use that are different. So bear with me for just a second. I am looking for a sticker to cover those, and I'm trying to see if there's any books that have them. But instead, I'm just gonna go to Mojo Jojo as always, pull out 2 brown stickers, which is so simple, and put them down. So now we're gonna write mood and sleep, and then below we're going to write movement and medication. So there we go. So just need to make bullet points to write all of the stuff down that we want to accomplish this week. As far as sleep and meds and all of that. So obviously when you're taking any kind of medication, you probably want to be most compliant. So it's very, very easy to track them if you have a designated place. Okay, and I think I'm just gonna add like 1 more thing, or maybe 2 more things to the sideline, and I will be all done. Thank you so much for spending this time with me and sticking around. And I'll see you guys very soon for another Plan With Me video. I hope you guys have a great week. Bye!